Do you remember our 10th birthday?
Yes, we got a puppy that year.
I miss that puppy.
Me too. He had a great name.
Actually, I don't remember his name.
How could you forget his name? His name was Buster.
Oh yeah, it was a sad day when Buster died.
I never wanted another dog after that.
How old was Buster when he died?
You don't remember anything. He was 14 years old.
One. What happened on their 10th birthday? They got a cat. They got a puppy. They got a hamster. They got a bird. Two. What did they name him? Leo, Spot, Tweety, Buster. Three. How old was he when he died? 10, 12, 14, 16. Four. What does Mark say to Bill? You don't remember anything. You never liked our pet. You were mean to our pet. You don't care about what happened.